Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play football on VR. Begin by clearing a safe play space and calibrating your headset and controllers. Start in a beginner mode to practice passing and catching without full contact. Learn to use smooth footwork and small movements to avoid tracking errors, and practice timing your throws and catches slowly at first. Gradually add defender AI or friends for realistic play, focusing on technique over speed. Warm up with simple drills to sync your body with virtual motion, focusing on balance and timing. Practice throwing motions while stationary, then add stepping to mirror real footwork. Use your non-dominant hand to stabilize when catching, and keep throws compact to maintain accuracy. Adjust sensitivity settings so gestures match in-game movement, and take regular breaks to prevent fatigue and tracking drift for longer, more enjoyable sessions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more VR guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling sharp between sessions, and enjoy that little confidence boost when you head out to play. Check the description for the link and other deals to snag one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on simple strategies first, like short passes and safe routes to build confidence. Practice reading defenders and timing routes, and work on communication cues when playing with others. Always be mindful of your real environment to avoid collisions and remove obstacles before each session. Use gradual progression for intensity and complexity, staying mindful of comfort and motion sickness, and maintain short practice intervals for steady skill growth without overexertion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.